Hi, I'm Courtney McQuade with Markets Group here with Abdur Nimeri, CEO of West Mountain Group. Abdur, it's great to see you.
Great to see you as well.
So, when it comes to private equity, will you tell me a little bit about your due diligence process?
We have, I'd say, a multifaceted due diligence process. We look at the manager, we look at their deal flow, we look at their diligence process, but also we look at the sub docs and all the docs that they have in place to make sure that we're aligned with the GP, keyly aligned with GP. Every now and again, we'll look at where the fees are, but that's usually a secondary consideration for us. We really want to understand we have great deal flow, a great operator. They're investing in really nice, strong companies, but also they're on an ESG arc or sustainability arc that we actually believe in as well.
Fantastic. And what are some areas of interest for you right now?
That's a great question for a few reasons. That we've actually shifted some of our thought process around where we're moving capital. We're really looking at healthcare and how healthcare assets will start to shift over the next, say, 10 to 20 years as you move away from just sort of in-center and or hospital utilization to more mobile care. So we're looking at assets across that. We're also looking at the real estate space. We're looking at flex spaces. We're actually looking at some commercial places as well around verticals that are already existing and how we can re-adopt those services for things where we have less and less people sitting in those buildings as well. So a lot of great activity in a lot of different areas.
Fantastic. Well, we also have a real estate series. Maybe you should come join us for one day.
I'd love to do that.
And tell me those are the areas that are of interest to you. What are some areas you might want to avoid?
We've thought about this quite extensively for a few reasons. Is that we have positions that we're in legacy areas that we actually put a lot of capital in, and we're starting to reconsider those. Some areas are really frothy in the single family space. We see some MSAs that have deep pockets and deep capacity. Others don't have as much capacity. We've looked at the lower middle market manufacturing space as well. We're looking at onshoring and see if that's going to if it's going to be very durable long term. So those are some areas that I say, more cautious on than we're sort of bearish on.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much for taking the time to speak with me, Abdur. It's great to see you.
Thank you very much. Always great to see you as well.
And we are live at our 8th Private Equity Forum in San Francisco.